Okay, moving on to figure 4. All we have to do is add our darts. So this should be relatively easy in CLO, hopefully. I know figure 3 kind of put us through the ringer, or at least me. Okay, so darts. So I need a dart, in between these two dots and one in between these two dots. But when I add a dart in CLO, it kind of centers it. Like, so if I click this point and right click, it's gonna center it, right? So I actually need a point in between these two. I even tried like selecting both and like right clicking and saying add dart, but it didn't like center it in between the two of them. So it's very easy. We'll just select this line, right click, and say split, right? Split, let's do uniform. Split, number of segments 2. Okay. Then I can go and get that guy in the middle and anyways, I'm just going to right click and say add dart. Okay, cool. So I'm going to pick you, right click, add dart. We want our dart 1 inch. Okay, I don't know why it's, okay, whatever. And then the dart length needs to be 5.5. Can I change you to 1 inch? Is that a problem? I don't know why it's not letting me change the width. Oh, maybe because the other points are, I don't know why. Hello. Oh, probably because those points are there. Interesting. I'm going to say cancel. And then I guess we don't really need you anymore. So delete. And then I'm just hitting delete on my keyboard. You're in my way. Get out of here. Okay, cool. Add dart. 1 inch. Wonderful. And 5.5. Okay, cool. So same thing here. Let's go ahead, right click. We want to split this guy. Uniform, 2 segments. Okay, now we can delete these points. We don't really need them anymore. And then I'll right click. We'll add our dart. This one is also 5.5 inches. So 1 inch by 5.5. Cool. Okay, cool. So that's it for the back. Now I have to do the same to the front. So let's go ahead and split uniform 2. Okay. We can delete that guy and delete this guy. And then, oh, this was what? Oh, 1/2 inch. Okay. So right click, add dart. We're going to say 0.5. And this is 3.5 inches. Okay, so 3.5. That's wrong. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so 0.5. 3.5. Aha, much better. Okay, so split this. Uniform 2, okay. Oh dear, it doesn't like that. What did I do? Let's try that again. Uniform. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's get rid of this guy. Get rid of him. Pick this, right click, add dart. Total width is going to be 0.5, and then we're going to make it 3.5. Yay! Cool, that's it for figure 4.